Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, today's the day we start chopping hay, filling silo. The boys and I got this silo cranked up, number 4. We're gonna start filling, see if we can't get that bad boy full. Stay tuned, stay posted, and let's go. coffee here just for a little pick-me-up here and there. Michelle packed me a lunch. Leftover burger from last night. Blue cheeseburger she likes to make. Got it sitting here on my little rock I found in the field. Didn't want to hit that with the planter. Heating up real nice. It'll be a nice little lunch. It turned out to be a nice little Sunday. Got a little kick to it. Cajun seasoning in there. Good, honey. Don't get me wrong. It's great. Got the water jug. Expression, run it till she blows. That's taking it to a whole new level. That out. Glad I laid this driveway in there. Some stinky, juicy stuff. Chopping, I'm unloading right behind the farm here. This is what I showed you in that last video. Jack's scraping. It's about milking time. Put this wagon on one of its slower settings, okay? And it'll still run. Because I gotta run over here. I got the feeder running. I'm gonna feed these cows while I'm unloading. Jack's hauling and scraping up all the manure for us. See his little dirt bike? He rode his little dirt bike here. A little dirt bike racer. So let's see what's good there. Look at this juice. This stuff stinks. Try not to step in it. Hey, 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 hey. Here we go. Supplementing with this feeder wagon. Here it comes. Okay, got these covers on. I'm gonna skip over this real quick. Take a look here. It's trickling in. There's Jack doing his little scrape about. I'll come in here. Feed's rolling out. I'll turn another silo on. Then I got to get back. It's been long enough. What do we got here? Let's turn on grain, and I want to run this corn out. Got to run these silos every day because if not, they'll get moldy. Even if you just run a little bit. Some of this fresh green hay we chop. I'll mix that in, start getting them used to it. There's some grain just spreading in there. Seems to be working pretty good, don't it? Moving forward, boys, let's go. Check out this bunk, it's getting pretty full. What happens when you lace them in there like that forage wagon, like I'm doing in the bunk. Going right up. Like Jack's finishing up over there. Running good. Just pay attention, stay focused. Cows are fed, right on cue. This wagon's coming to an end. I torqued her down to let her run out faster now that I'm here. Yeah, so I'm doing this, dance filling wagons. Mark and Cody are milking. It's milking time. Bunk's fed. They're taking care of that. And Greg, he'd be milking with Mark, but he's staying ahead of him. He's cutting hay right now. Putting a dent in the silo, I know I am. And then I got the first silo to fill once this one's full. It takes quite a lot of hay to do that. So we're just gonna cut so that way it's gotta be down at least 12 to 18 hours, I don't know, depending on the heat. It's gonna be hot, so it's gonna dry as long as it's not too humid. Working together, we'll get it done. Yeah, he's starting to stack them up on me quick. Once he fine-tuned that chopper, he can go a lot faster. Check this stuff out. Yeah, he's got it just chopped right up. Another load. Keep on trucking. Okay guys, I think that's gonna do it for today. It's been a long day. I gotta fuel this little girl up before she runs out. Get on them likes and subscribe buttons, and check out my new website, get you a muscle shirt, and see you in the next video. Thanks.